Hello, scrappers! Tonight, I'll be scrapping this. This was out in the garden. My tenants had, they had carved a pumpkin for Halloween. And they asked me what I wanted to do with the pumpkin. I told them just go throw it in the garden, and they left this in the pumpkin, I guess. I did some yard cleanup, and I found this in a pile of leaves out there. Must have been in their pumpkin, because it says Pumpkin Master right on it. Made in China. How come everything came from China? Main thing I want to do is get the batteries out of this. Batteries are big time polluter. Oh, look at them. Made in China. I bet these are Chinese batteries too. No, they're Panasonics. Alkalines too. Batteries are recyclable. You save them. There's places that recycle them. Look it up on the internet. Find a place near you. Recycle them. Energizer in Pittsfield, Massachusetts. Long time ago, I brought a 5-gallon bucket full of alkaline batteries. Bag of sticks to that. And they gave me like 30, 35 cents a pound for it. It was definitely worth saving them. And Pittsfield wasn't that far of a drive. I'm going to wait until I have a lot more, because I might have to drive a little further than Pittsfield to recycle them. I'll have to do some research and find out where I can bring them. But definitely don't let them end up in the landfill. Ow! Tough little bugger. There we go. If there's batteries, there's going to be circuit board. And wire. And copper. There's a little piece of circuit board. There's a little silver contact switch. And a tiny little piece of circuit board. I'm guessing this was some kind of neat little strobe light. Little tiny microcontroller in there. Now where I live, I have to pay to throw my trash away. So of course I'm going to get all the metal out of it. You know, this doesn't weigh nothing. It's a lot cheaper to throw this away. Doesn't cost as much. Plus I get a little extra money out of it. Got some number 2 insulated. And this is a little silver contact switch. There's a tiny little piece of silver in here. They do add up. When I have enough of them, I'll be selling them on eBay. And somebody will get the silver out of them, but not me. Too much work. So, we got some tin for the tin bucket. Some screws. And a tiny little bit of number 2 insulated. And a little piece of copper bearing board. Nothing real good on here. So that wasn't too bad. A few minutes worth of work. Made a penny, probably. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.